Hello everyone, I have a special video in store for you all because today I want to attempt the Grandpa Stab Challenge in Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Now this is going to be a highly edited video, my best attempt so far since attempting this challenge. Now this challenge took many attempts since it is a lot harder now considering less bone scraps spawn at your disposal for each pile. It used to be 5 and now it's 3 for each. So I knew this was going to be a way harder to complete than the previous record set at 17 in one game. I wanted to give it my best shot today. For my own sake and insanity, I will be doing this in solo queue until I cry or I complete the challenge. So, enjoy. I'm screaming. We're back in the basement. This challenge is so difficult. That's so dumb, bro. He's up top too. Like, fuck.
Yeah. About to find out.
Guys, I have never taken a second out of your time before to say this, but if you are enjoying the video, please do hit that subscribe button. It really does help me out and lets me know to keep up the great content. You are more than free to unsubscribe at any time. Also, leave a like on the video. It does help me with the YouTube algorithm to showcase more of my content. I cannot appreciate it enough. Thank you all. And now, back to the video.
I couldn't get to him.
Yeah, they're getting to level 2.
Shit.
Well, it's good we're doing a Grandpa Stab Challenge, because shit.
Where did he escape from? Don't go over there. The other face is at the bottom with it, dude.
Why can't I do it? Oh, there we go. 4. This is empty now. There's another bone shard pile there. I still have my grapple ability too. Have you got any stabs off?
No. I can't never get over there. So now I'm just fucking around with the cook, to be honest. Because every time I get over there...
5.
Like, the fact that you keep getting stabbed off is funny. So that must mean that they got that side open and they got the other side open also.
5.
Now she got another one behind the face's back.
6. God, I can't fucking move with this poison. Oh my god. Okay, 6. I'm literally in recovery mode. I want to admit in my first couple of hours, I realized one thing that really stuck with me throughout. I suck at this challenge. I could not complete this challenge for my life, not to mention even get to double digits. Even on live, I was struggling to get more than 7. So I decided instead of highly stressing myself out with this challenge, which believe me, I would just show you my best attempts and actually enjoy the game as is and just have fun with it. Now I want to share some funnies and fails, but here's what I learned after 3 days straight of going for this challenge. And the reason I also wanted to make this video because I will be going for this challenge again. And remember this for yourselves. Teammates 100% have to pressure with you. And there's too many times I get stuck with 2 to 3 family members and it's a quick death, and believe me, that frustrated me the most. Opening multiple basement doors is good for yourself. Family members caught onto my routes quick. Once you can unlock multiple gates, you can easily have multiple accessibility to grandpa. Self-explanatory, but take the scraps from the basement from setting up top. Avoids you having to go back down to basement. Is Anna or Leland better for this challenge? I've been battling this back and forth and still don't know exactly who I'd use. It used to be Leland when I used to do this challenge, but Anna seems just as good. When you vault barricade vault barriers, it slows down the family tremendously, even if it is Leatherface. Win-win there. And I kept running out of health potions really quickly, which halted my attempt for more stabs, but I did my best. I'll just roll the highlights now. Enjoy. Or easy as it used to be, you know? Oh my god. Not to mention a lot of times you have like brain dead teammates. Like, I'm kind of waiting to go up top here because I have 2 bone scraps, but I don't know when that's gonna happen. Go ahead, Connie. Whenever you want to open the door. Rescuer. Don't die, Anna, after I just saved you. Do not die. Somebody open the fucking door. Lord Christ. I think I'm like 5 minutes into this game, bro, and nobody's opened a single door. What is happening, dude? Go. I had to do what I had to do. I'm screaming. We're back in the basement. Alright. If the Leatherface quit, I'm just gonna escape. I can't really call like that. don't think he's quite understanding that I don't have to leave the spot. Alright, there's two.